Hello and welcome to Travel and Learn. In the last lesson, we learned how to give instruction in the singular form. Today, in our lesson number 7, we are going to do the same, but we will teach you how to give the same instructions in the plural form. Let us start with to learn. To learn is शिकप. तुम्ही कोंकणी शिकात, which means you learn Konkani. So this is in the plural form. तुम्ही कोंकणी शिकात, which means you learn Konkani. Now it could be two people or more than two people. The word would be तुम्ही. To show, दाखोवप. म्हाका घर दाखयात. Show me the house. म्हाका घर दाखयात. Show me the house. If it was two houses, it would mean म्हाका घरां दाखयात. Show me the houses. म्हाका घरां दाखयात. Show me the houses. To keep. To keep is दवरूंक. तें सकयल दवरात. Keep it down. तें सकयल दवरात. Keep it down. To give. To give is दिवंक. म्हाका तुमचे हात दियात. Which means give me your hands. म्हाका तुमचे हात दियात. Give me your hands. To speak. उलोवंक. तुम्ही कोंकणी उलोयात. Which means you speak Konkani. तुम्ही कोंकणी उलोयात. You speak Konkani. To sit is बसोंक. यात हांगा बसात. Which means come sit here. यात हांगा बसात. Come sit here. To go is वचोंक. तुम्ही घरा वचात. Which means you go home. तुम्ही घरा वचात. You go home. To eat. To eat is खाऊंक. तुम्ही आंबे खायात. You eat these mangoes. तुम्ही आंबे खायात. You eat these mangoes. To drink. पियोंक. तुम्ही उदक पियेयात. You drink the water. तुम्ही उदक पियेयात. Which means you drink the water. To see is पळोवंक. येयात गोंय पळोयात. येयात गोंय पळोयात. Which means come and see Goa. To write is बरोवप. म्हाका चीट बरोयात. Write me a letter. Or म्हाका चिटी बरोयात. Which means write me letters. म्हाका चीट बरोयात. Write me a letter. Or म्हाका चिटी बरोयात. Which means write me letters. To teach is शिकोंक. तुम्ही लिसांव शिकात. Which means you learn your lessons. तुम्ही लिसांव शिकात. Which means learn your lessons. To cut. कातरूंक. हें लुगोट कातरात. Which means cut this cloth. हें लुगोट कातरात. Which means cut this cloth. To read is वाचूंक. हें पुस्तक वाचात. Read this book. हीं पुस्तकां वाचात, which means read these books. हें पुस्तक वाचात. Read this book. हीं पुस्तकां वाचात, which means read these books. To come is येऊंक. तुमी हांगा येयात, which means you all come here. तुमी हांगा येयात. You all come here. So thank you very much from all of us at Travel and Learn. Keep learning, keep sharing, and please do not forget to subscribe. देव बरें करूं.